Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So this is the Day-4 of Linux command. In previous video, we saw how to create files and how to create directories in Linux. In this video, we are going to see what is the use of cat command and what is the use of tag command. And these are some interview questions we are going to see, like how to create files in the Linux and what are the different ways to create files in the Linux. Then the second one is how to see file content without opening the files. And third one is how to combine one or more files. So these are some interview questions related to the cat command. Let's see one by one. Okay, let me connect the EC2 instance. So this is the device terminal. Let's copy the public IP address of EC2 instance. Go here and type ssh-i, then the key pair. So this is my key pair. Then the ec2-user. So this is the default user of Linux EC2 instance. @ public IP address. Hit enter. Yes, hit enter. Okay, now I'm inside the EC2 instance. Let's switch the user by using sudo su. Okay, user has been switched. So let's see how to create files using cat command. So this is the command cat, then the greater than and the file name. Suppose file1.txt, hit enter. Now write some content inside it. So this is first line, then do enter and type Control D. So by using Control D, we have saved this content. Now let's check the content. Cat file1.txt, hit enter. So this is the content. Okay. So this is how we can create the file using cat command. So there is one difference between touch and cat command. Let me show you. File2.txt, hit enter. See, this is the difference. So by using touch command, we can create the empty files. Okay. And by using the cat command, we can create the files with content. Okay, so we have to write some content inside this file. But by using touch command, we can create the multiple files without the content. Now let's see how to append the file by using cat command. So cat, then the greater than. So I want to write second line inside this file, file1.txt. Then how I can edit this file? So by using cat greater than, then the file1.txt, hit enter. Now you have to write content here. This is second line, hit enter and do Control D. Now let's check the content. Cat, then the file1.txt. See, this is the first line and this is the second line. So like this way we can append the content. So this is the command greater than. Okay, but don't use cat greater than command, otherwise it will override the content. Let me show you. File1.txt, hit enter. This is third line, hit enter, do Control D. See, we have used the single greater than, okay, not double greater than. So this command will override the content. Let's see, cat file1.txt, hit enter. See, previous content went from here. You can see here, this was my previous content. Now this is the new content. So this will override by using greater than. This command will override the content, previous content, and by using greater than, it will append the content. Okay, so this is the difference between greater than and greater than. And this is the answer of our second interrogation. This one, how to see file content without opening the files. Opening the files means without this vi, vim and nano editor. Okay, by using this vi, vim, we have to open this file. But suppose we want to check the content without opening that file, then this is the command, cat command. Okay, you can see here. So cat command, then the file1. This is the file name. So we can see the content without opening that file. This is third line. Okay. Then third question is how to combine one or more files. Let's see. Suppose these are the files, file1 and the file2. We have created this file as well. Do ls. See, file1. Let's check the content of file1. File1.txt. So this is third line. And let's check the content of file2.txt. So there is no content. Okay, let's write some content inside file2. Okay, file2.txt. Hit enter. This is fourth line, hit enter, do Control D for saving. Okay, now let's clear the screen, do ls. Now check the content of file file2.txt. Hit enter. See, this is the fourth line, and cat file1.txt, this is the third line. Now let's see how we can combine this file by using cat command. Type cat, then the file name. Okay, file1.txt, file2.txt, then the greater than, and let's create file3.txt. Hit enter. Now check cat file3.txt. See, we have combined the content, like file1 content is this one, this is third line, and file2 content is this is fourth line, and file3 content is this is third line and this is fourth line. So by using this command, we have combined the content like file1 and file2 content inside file3.txt. Let's do ls. See, file1, file2 and file3. Okay, now let's see how to copy the content by using cat command. Suppose I want to copy file2 content inside file4. Okay, let's type cat, then the file2.txt, then greater than file3.txt. Hit enter, do ls. See, file3 is created. I think we have overwrite this file. Let's type same command with file4. Okay, hit enter. Now do ls. See, file4 is created. Now let's check the content of file2 and file4. Hit enter, and the cat file3.txt. See, both content is same. We have just copied the content of file2 inside file4. So basically, by using cat command, we can create the file, then we can combine multiple files. Okay, just we saw this one, right? So we can combine multiple files, as well as we can copy the content of file. Also, we can see the content of file. So this is a very useful command in the day-to-day Linux troubleshooting. Now let's see one more use case of cat command. Let's clear the screen first. Okay, now do one thing. Let's create one file, or let's append one file. So let me append the file cat greater than file2.txt. Hit enter. This is DevOps CICD YouTube channel. Then the hit enter. This is fourth line, suppose. Hit enter. This is fifth line. Hit enter. This is sixth line. So this is the content I just wrote. Now do enter and do Control D for saving the file. Now let's check the content of file2, file2.txt. So these many lines are present, like this is fourth line, then the DevOps CICD, this is the second line, this is the third, fourth and fifth. Okay, there are total 5 lines. Now let's check by using cat -n, then the file2.txt. So by using this command, we can see the content of file2.txt with the numbers. Hit enter. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so by using -n flag, we can see the content with numbers. Now let's see use of tag command. So by using tag command, we can see the file content in the reverse order. Let's see tag, then the file2.txt. Hit enter. See, this is the last line, right, of this file, file2.txt. So by using tag command, we have just reversed the order. So sixth line becomes first line, fifth line becomes the second line. Okay, this is the third line, fourth line, fifth line. Okay, so this command is very useful to check the latest logs. So this is the use of tag command. Now let's see this command with -n flag. So this -n flag will not work inside this tag command. Let's see tag -n, then the file2.txt. Hit enter. It will give the error, right, invalid option -n. Okay, then they try tag -help for more information. So how we can see, this content with this numbering. Okay, so there is way like tag, then the file name, okay, file2.txt, then the pipe and enl. N and L. Hit enter. See, by using this command, we can see the content with numbers. So this is the reverse order. You can check here. This is the reverse order, sixth line. So this is the last line of this file becomes first line. Okay, by using tag command. So this is the answer how to combine one or more files inside Linux. So these commands are very useful in day-to-day Linux tasks. So that's it for day 4. Like we saw the Linux interview questions as well, like how to create files in Linux, then how to see file content without opening that file, and how to combine one or more files, as well as we saw the use of tag command. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any doubts, then you can ask me in the comment section. Till then, bye bye.